Pika AI versus Kling AI. Let's get started. So, Pika AI is the best and creative AI tool that lets users generate and edit high-quality videos using text prompts or image references, and it's known for its user-friendly interface and cinematic results, and it's a popular choice for creators. So what it offers is it has text-to-video, image-to-video, and in-painting capabilities. It also has an intuitive interface for creators and storytellers, as you can see. And then they also have a real-time video editing with prompt refinement. They also have regular updates and rapid improvement. And they have a browser-based, so there's no install needed. Then we have here Kling AI. So Kling AI is a powerful new contender from China developed by the TikTok rival Kuaishou, and it's made headlines with its super realistic and physics-aware AI videos, rivaling models like Sora. So it offers a highly realistic and smooth physics-based motion. They also have a 1080p plus resolution and long duration video generation. They also have impressive detail, lighting, and camera movement, and it's especially strong in real-world scenes and cinematic shots. So, choose Pika AI if you want it perfect for creators who want fast and creative and stylized AI videos, and Kling if you want a real-world looking cinematic quality video generation and can access the closed beta.